Animal Kingdom. See that all the animals, from amoeba to human, they all fit into one poem. In oceans deep and forest wide, where living wonders roam with pride, from crawling ants to eagles high, life moves beneath the open sky. Animals are of two kinds we see, vertebrates and invertebrates they be. Some without a backbone stay, some with spines to strengthen and sway. Invertebrates include protozoans so small, heterotrophic, eukaryotic, unicellular, all like amoeba drifting, paramecia glide, trypanosoma moves where fluids reside. Porifera are creatures with pores all around. A hollow central cavity within them is found, with canals flowing water, simple yet sessile, like Cycon and Spongilla, are not mobile. Coelentrates are diploblastic, simple in design, with coelentron cavity where nutrients align, like jellyfish drifting, sea anemone sway, and hydra stand gently in fresh water's way. Platyhelminthes are flatworms, thin and white, acoelomates, that is, no cavity inside. Planaria glide in fresh water with ease. Tapeworms and liver flukes are parasite indeed. Nematodes are roundworms, slender and long, with tapering ends and a body so strong. A pseudocoel filled with fluid they bear. Hemolymph gently flows in there. Annelids are segmented, their bodies have rings. True coelom structure with so many things. With CT for movement in soil or in sea. Sleet is a parasite but earthworm needs free. Arthropods have jointed legs with chitinous shell, segmented bodies that protect them well, with open circulation and systems so wide, like insect spiders and crabs that thrive. Mollusks have soft bodies, some covered with a shell, with a muscular foot and the mantle as well. Some crawl, some swim in oceans blue, like snail, octopus, and oysters too. Echinoderms live in the sea, spiny and bright, with radial symmetry in oceanic light. Water-vascular system helps them move around, like starfish and sea urchins on ocean ground. Chordates have a backbone strong and well made, with notochord present in early stage. They breathe and move with systems so fine, fish, birds, mammals, all in a line. Pisces are fishes that swim in the sea. With fins and scales, they move gracefully. Gills help them breathe in water so wide, like trout, shark, and goldfish. All they glide. Amphibians live in both water and land, with smooth, moist skin and mouth so grand. Tadpoles in water, then on land they grow. The frogs and salamanders, they come and go. Reptiles crawl on land with scaly skin, cold blooded bodies that help them win. Eggs on land where life they catch. Here snakes, lizard, and crocodile hatch. Aves are birds that soar so high, with feathers made to touch the sky. Some fly through air, some run on land, like eagles, pigeons, while ostrich stand. Mammals are warm blooded with lots of fear. Mothers feed milk to young they bear. On land or water they live and roam, like humans, whales, and lions in beyond. Then which of your Lord's favor you will deny? In creatures of earth, in sea and sky, from smallest cell to beast so grand, all praise to Allah with whose command